Hello, how to solve for s from this given nice math problem. 99 raised to power s plus 9 is equal to 9,999 raised to power s plus 9. Solution. We have 9 raised to power s plus 9 is equal to 9999 raised to power s plus 9. If you have a raised to power n plus m, this is equal to a raised to power n multiplied by a raised to power m. Then this can be written as 9 raised to power s multiplied by 9 raised to power 9 is equal to 9999 raised to power s multiplied by 9999 raised to power 9. Now let's divide both sides of this equation by 99 raised to power 9 and 9999 raised to power s. This divided by 9 raised to power 9 multiplied by 9999 raised to power x. Divide this by 9 raised to power 9 multiplied by 9999 raised to power x. From here, this we cancel this, and this we cancel this. We have 9 raised to power s over 9999 raised to power s is equal to 9999 raised to power 9 over 9 raised to power 9. Now, if you have a raised to power n over b raised to power n, this is equal to a over b raised to power of n. This can be written as 99 over 9999 to the power of x is equal to 9999 over 99 to the power of 9. Now let's see. 99 here 1, 99 here 101. 99999 in 199 we have 99999 divided by 99. This is 101. Then we have 1 over 101 to the power of s is equal to 101 raised to the power of 9. Then this can be written as 101 raised to the power of minus s is equal to 101 raised to the power of 9. The base are equal from here, and the exponent is minus s is equal to 9. Then we work with exponent. Minus s is equal to 9. Then s is equal to minus 9. This is the final answer. We can check to confirm if our answer is right or wrong. Let's check. 99 raised to power s plus 9 is equal to 9999 raised to power s plus 9 when s is equal to minus 9. Then here is 99 raised to power minus 9 plus 9 must be equal to 9999 raised to power minus 9 plus 9. And as you can see, minus 9 plus 9 is 0. This is 99 raised to power 0 must be equal to 9999 raised to power 0. 99 raised to power 0, this is 1, is equal to 9999 raised to power 0, this is 1, which is true at s is equal to minus 9. Thank you for watching. Don't forget this step. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.